Hi everyone. In the previous video you have studied about the pointers, that how to declare a pointer, how to initialize a pointer, and how to use the pointer to print the value of a variable. This video is about the double pointer. Now what are double pointers? Double pointers are pointer to pointer. As we have told you in the previous video that pointers are used to contain the address of a variable. Double pointers are also used to contain the address but not of a variable, of a pointer. So pointers are a variable used to contain the address of a variable, and double pointers are the pointer used to contain the address of a pointers. The general syntax of double pointers is data type. Data type can be any of the four basic data types: integer, character, float, and double. The star for two stars are for double pointers. The pointer name. The pointer name is an identifier. You can name it any according to the identifier rules. Now let's move to the code. I have written a code over here, so let me just explain you the meaning of this code, that what we have done here. We have declared a variable integer a with the value of a is equal to 5. Then we have declared and initialize a pointer p1 with the address of the variable a, and after that we have declared a double integer pointer and assigned it the address of p1. P1 is a pointer. So let me just compile it. There is no error, and let me just change this with the value of address of a. So now p1, a single pointer, is also pointing to the address of a, and p2 is also pointing to the address of a. You can see that there is a warning which is showing that incompatible ties over this line. It means that the double pointer cannot contain the address of a variable. It should contain the address of a variable. So we just did again here that we have assigned the address of p1 to the double pointer p2. Now by this line, let me just compile it and show you the output and explain it by side. I have compiled it. There are 0 warnings and 0 errors. Let me just run it. Here is the output. The star p2 is showing us the value of p1. The value of p1 is ampersand a, that is the address of say. So star p2 is showing us the address of a. Ampersand a is also showing us the address of a, and by p1 is also showing us the address of a. These two things we have explained also in the previous video, in the single pointer video. So star p2 is showing us the address of a because it's showing us the star p2 gives the value of p1, and the value of p1 is the address of a. So ampersand a gives the address of a and p1 gives the address of a. Now the next three lines, these three lines showing us the value of a. A gives us the value of a, 5. Star p1 gives us the value of 5. Remember, p1 gives us the address of a and star p1 gives us the value of a, that is 5. Star p2 gives us the value of p2, and star p2 gives us the value of the variable on which the p1 is pointing. So star p2 gives also the value of a. So these three lines, the first three lines, these three lines are giving us the address of a, and these three lines are giving us the value of a, and after that p2 is giving us the address of p1 because p2 have been assigned to ampersand p1. P2 is giving us the address of the pointer p1. Ampersand p1 is giving us the address of p1. So these both are same, and the last one is giving us the address of p2. So here we have done all the things which is related to this program. The first three lines, the address of a, next three lines the value of a, the next two lines giving us the address of p1, and the last line is giving us the address of p2. So this is how you can use double pointers. Let us just revise it again. Pointers are the variables which are used to contain the address of a variable, and double pointers are the variables which are used to contain the address of a pointer. So this is all about double pointers. In the next video you will be studying about structures. Thank you.